Welcome to Tech Programming CSIT. Very good evening to all our viewers for joining with us. You all have connected with us through our YouTube channel. So welcome to today's session. How to use ChatGPT to act as a personal coach and to learn any skill. Using ChatGPT as a personal coach to learn new skills involves engaging in a conversation with the model to seek guidance, motivation, and information related to the skill you want to acquire. So here are some steps you want to follow. First is define your goal. Clearly define the skill you want to learn, whether it's a language, programming, musical instrument, or any other skill. Having a specific goal will help you in obtaining more targeted assistance. So how to start a conversation? Begin conversation with ChatGPT by starting your goal and asking for advice. For example, I want to learn programming. Can you help me get started? Or you can ask, I am interested in improving my photography skills. Where should I begin? Next is ask specific questions. Break down your goal into smaller, more manageable tasks. Ask specific questions related to each subtask. For instance, what programming language should I start with? Or can you recommend beginner-friendly resources for learning photography? Next is to seek learning resources. Request recommendations for book, online courses, tutorials, and other resources that can aid in your learning journey. Next is to clarify your concepts. If you find difficulty in understanding any concept, you can ask ChatGPT for clarification. Phrase your question in a way that seeks explanation or examples. Set milestones. Work with ChatGPT to establish realistic milestones for your learning process. This helps in tracking progress and stay motivated. Next is to ask for motivation and tips. Learning a new skill can be challenging, and it is important to stay motivated. You can ask ChatGPT for tips on overcoming challenges and maintaining enthusiasm. Next is to practice and review. Share your progress with ChatGPT and ask for feedback. Describe what you have learned and seek advice on how to improve. Next is to explore troubleshooting. If you encounter obstacles or roadblocks, describe the issue to ChatGPT and ask for troubleshooting suggestions. This can be particularly helpful for technical or practical challenges. Next point is to reflect and adjust. Periodically reflect on your learning experience and adjust your approach if needed. Ask for advice on refining your learning strategy based on your experiences. Remember that while learning, ChatGPT can provide guidance and information, active practice, dedication, and seeking out additional resources are crucial for effective skill development. Always verify information from reliable sources and use ChatGPT as a supplement to your learning journey. ChatGPT for career growth. Let us see how we can use ChatGPT for career growth. How students can leverage the power of ChatGPT in various ways to support their career growth and development. First is for research assistance. Use ChatGPT to gather information on specific topic related to your field of study or career interest. So for example, you can explore new trends, technologies, or advancement in your own chosen field. For example, you can type, can you provide information on latest advancements in artificial intelligence? Next is for writing and editing support. Get help with writing and editing resumes, cover letters, and other professional documents. You can improve your writing skills by receiving feedback and suggestions on your work. For example, you can enter the prompt, help me refine my resume by suggesting improvements and edits. Users can share their resume and ChatGPT can provide feedback, suggest improvements, and help optimize the content for better readability and impact. Next is for interview preparation. Practice interview scenarios with ChatGPT to refine your responses and build confidence. You can receive tips and insights on common interview questions and industry-specific interview strategies. For example, you can enter the prompt, simulate a job interview for a software engineering position, and provide feedback on your responses. ChatGPT can simulate interview scenarios, ask common questions, and provide constructive feedback on the user's answers. helping them practice and improve their interview skills. Next is learning new skills. Ask for guidance on learning new skills or getting started with specific technologies. You can receive explanations and examples to enhance your understanding of challenging concepts. So for example, you can enter the prompt, I want to learn Python programming. Can you provide me a step-by-step guide and examples for beginners? So ChatGPT will give you a reply. ChatGPT can offer a structured learning path, explain Python concepts, and provide code examples to assist a student in their journey to learn new programming language. Next is for professional networking. You can seek advice on building a professional network, attending conferences, and connecting with industry professionals. You can draft effective emails or messages for reaching out to potential mentors or colleagues. So for example, you can enter the prompt, how can I effectively network in the field of data science? Any tips for reaching out to professionals? ChatGPT can offer advice on networking strategies, provide you template messages for reaching out to professionals, and share insights on building a strong professional network. Next is project ideas and guidance. Brainstorm project ideas and give suggestions on how to approach them. You can receive guidance on structuring and presenting projects for academic or professional purposes. So for example, you can enter the prompt, I need ideas for machine learning project. Can you suggest interesting topics and guide me on how to get started? ChatGPT can brainstorm ideas, outline potential methodologies, and provide guidance on the initial steps of project development. Next is entrepreneurial guidance. Discuss business ideas and receive insights on entrepreneurship. Seek advice on starting a small business, developing a business plan, or understanding market trends. So for example, you can enter the prompt, I have a business idea in the tech industry. What steps should I take to start my own company? ChatGPT can offer advice on creating a business plan, understanding the market, and provide insights into the initial stages of entrepreneurship. Next is for coding and programming help. Get assistance into coding challenges, debugging, and understanding programming concepts. Use ChatGPT to explore new programming languages and frameworks. So for example, you can enter the prompt, I am stuck on a JavaScript coding problem. Can you help me debug and understand the solution? So ChatGPT can assist with debugging code, explain programming concepts, and provide alternate solutions to help the user overcome coding challenges. Next way in which we can use ChatGPT is for language learning. Practice a new language by engaging in conversation and receiving corrections. Get help with translation and understanding content in foreign language. So for example, you can enter the prompt, I want to practice conversational French. Can you help by engaging in a dialogue and correcting my sentences? So we can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT can simulate a conversation in French. It can correct grammar mistakes and provide suggestions for improving language skills. Next is for time management and productivity. Seek advice on time management, productivity tips, and strategies for balancing academic and personal commitments. So for example, you can enter the prompt, what are some effective strategies for managing time and improving productivity during college studies? ChatGPT can offer tips on time management, suggest productivity tools, and provide personalized advice based on the user's schedule and goals. Next is soft skills development. Work on your communication skills by having conversation and receiving feedback. Practice negotiation skills, conflict resolution, and other soft skills important in a professional setting. So for example, you can enter the prompt, help me improve public speaking skills. What are some tips for effective communication and presentation? So ChatGPT can provide advice on public speaking, offer tips on structuring presentation, and simulate scenarios for practicing communication skills. Remember, while using ChatGPT as a valuable tool, it is essential to complement it with other resources and experiences. Building a successful career involves a combination of education, practical experience, networking, and continuous learning. I hope you like this video. Do give your valuable suggestions and write in the comment box on which topic you want us to make video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.